Question 1 says, given a parallelogram ABCD, this parallelogram that we see here, ABCD, complete each statement along with the definition or property used. So there are 4 statements given to us. Each of the statements is incomplete and we have to use the appropriate property of parallelograms to complete that statement. So let's start with the first statement. In the first statement, we have AD equal to what? So AD is this side of the parallelogram, and this will be equal to the opposite side of the parallelogram, which is BC, because in a parallelogram, opposite sides are equal. So the first statement can be completed as AD is equal to BC, and the reason is that opposite sides in a parallelogram are equal. So that's the reason for this first statement. Now in the second statement, we have angle DCB equal to what? So angle DCB is this angle here, angle DCB, and we know that in a parallelogram, opposite angles are equal. So angle DCB will be equal to angle DAB, this angle here, because this is opposite to angle DCB. So we can complete the second statement as angle DCB is equal to angle DAB, and the reason is that the opposite angles in any parallelogram are equal. Alright, now statement 3 says OC is equal to what? So OC is this segment of the diagonal, half of AC. OC is this part of the diagonal AC, and we know that in a parallelogram the diagonals bisect each other. So OC will be equal to OA and OD will be equal to OB, but we don't need the OD equal to OB fact. We only need to use the fact that OC is equal to OA because the diagonals in a parallelogram bisect each other. So this statement can be completed as OC is equal to OA, and the reason can be stated as the diagonals in a parallelogram bisect each other. So that's the property for statement 3. And then finally for statement 4, we have the measure of angle DAB plus the measure of angle CDA. So measure of angle DAB plus the measure of angle CDA. So let's analyze these two angles. What are these two angles? So angle DAB is this angle here, DAB, and angle CDA is this angle here. And we can see that these two angles are adjacent angles of the parallelogram, so they must be supplementary because they are interior angles on the same side of this transversal AD and the parallels AB and DC. So their sum must be equal to 180 degrees. So the statement can be completed as 180 degrees, and the reason can be stated as adjacent angles in a parallelogram are supplementary. Their sum is 180 degrees. So that's the reason for statement 4. And with this, we have completed question number 1.
To learn more about how QMath can help you crack school and board exams, explore QMath Leap, a live online classroom program run by highly experienced and committed teachers.